Hi guys, this is Surabhi Bhatia and welcome to the YouTube channel of Legal Edge After College. So we have with us a very special guest today, that is Manasvi. Manasvi had a CLAT rank of 123 in the CLAT 2026 exam. Welcome Manasvi and a very big congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
And it's a great thing that Manasvi is taking up this interview from Nalsar, Hyderabad itself. Her classes start very soon. So Manasvi, how is this overall journey for your CLAT 2026 exam?
Uh, it was very good. LEAC has helped me a lot, like from the beginning of my journey. It has been a part till the end.
Okay.
Uh, and not only for CLAT, but also for AIB. I have taken the RSM materials from LEAC that had built the foundation for my CLAT journey. It had helped me brush up all my concepts. I have used the same books also for my AIB, so
Okay.
those books were very useful actually. Apart from that, I have also taken their mocks. It was very good. Many questions came in the exam. One or two questions came in the CLAT main exam, so I was very happy that I
That was
practiced
great.
some LEC mocks.
That was great. So how often did you appear for the mocks and क्या मतलब जब आपने join किया था, when did you join exactly?
So I have decided to take CLAT after the 3-year judiciary rule has come. So that is in the end of May. So
Okay.
that's when I like started preparing for CLAT. So in the June, I have taken the LAC RSM books and the mock test series. But the mocks I have started taking like only from October. Yeah, October properly I started like doing. So
Okay.
the whole October I was doing 1 month, and then November I shifted to two mocks per day. So that is, I did around 50, I think, mocks. Yeah.
ओके ओके सो सबसे डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट कौन सा लगता था मनस्वी?
I would say the new criminal laws
ओके.
because we had to do both the old criminal laws and the new criminal laws. Remember the sections, so the changes that were being done. The criminal laws were the difficult part for me to like remember both.
राइट. एंड मनस्वी, जो हर क्लैट एस्पिरेंट के लिए एक नाइटमेयर होता है, दैट इज द जजमेंट्स. तो वो जजमेंट्स का क्या एस्पेक्ट रहा था?
The judgments, they are equally important, just as how your foundations are. Even the judgments are equally important because it forms the basis of the CLAT paper. I did my judgments fully from the LAC, the monthly the test, material that they give. I
ओके.
followed only that.
ओके.
Um, I tried to do, I couldn't finish all the months. I tried to do how much ever I could.
ओके.
Apart from that, before the exam, there were several like YouTube videos, even LAC videos of like the yearly, like the
कंपाइलेशंस.
one shot videos.
राइट
So
राइट.
that was also one thing. So like before the exam, I just like brushed up like LAC videos. Mainly they were of LAC videos only, of
ओके.
the one shot, like all the summarized versions. So that I did for
ओके.
the judgments.
और इस पूरी जर्नी में एनी अदर सोर्सेज दैट यू रेफर्ड, कोई बुक्स जो तुमने रेफर किए, कोई और साइट्स, या हाउ डिड यू डेवलप ऑन
Yeah,
योर रीडिंग
from the
हैबिट्स?
LAC, RSMs, and the mocks, I also refer to one book called Singles Clad
फॉर द क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस.
question, the MCQ questions basically.
ओके.
It was not in a passage format, but like just the old clad pattern. It was like the MCQ formats, but that
ओके.
was very good. Like initially, when I used to like finish one subject, so I'm finished constitution. Then I used to do the practice in that book, and like that I used to go forward. So like the basic fundamentals would be like perfected to through that book, and then I should do mocks later on, like from October, as I said. So that book
परफेक्ट.
was really helpful for me, apart
परफेक्ट
from the LAC
परफेक्ट.
material.
दैट्स अमेजिंग. तो उसके अलावा ऐसे कोई टेक्स्ट बुक्स वगैरह रेफर नहीं किए, जैसे कॉन्स्टी की बुक्स हो गए या जूरिस के कोई बुक्स हो गए, वीडी महाजन एट्सेट्रा? यू डिडंट रेफर टू एनी ऑफ देम?
So I already did all those when I was my 5 years journey of my LLB, DLLB. So I didn't need the necessity to do it like from the start because I remembered everything. So I just needed something to brush up my concepts, to
ओके.
brush up all the things, just revision. So that's why I took the LAC material. It was like very good.
परफेक्ट. एंड अभी कौन सी स्पेशलाइजेशन में एलएलएम ज्वाइन किया है?
I joined in IPR, Intellectual
IPR.
Property Rights.
That's amazing. That's amazing. ठीक है. So इस पूरी जर्नी में what is one thing जो बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग लगा and how did you overcome this पूरे जर्नी में? It could be stress, demotivated. क्या था जो सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग था? कोई
Uh,
सब्जेक्ट?
the most challenging was to stay consistent on the mocks,
ओके.
to get that one particular score every time you do, like
ओके.
a little bit up and down, but like to stay consistent on the mocks, to do it every day, even though it was very tiring to do like one mock per day also, and then analysis also. But I made it to a point to practice as much as I could, like be it just basic MCQs or the thing. But I think that was like the most challenging thing to like do mocks every day. Yeah.
मनस्वी, आइडियली कुछ ऐसा कि इतने घंटे तो पढ़ना ही चाहिए या इतने घंटे तो आप पढ़े ही थे, व्हाट शुड बी दैट आइडियल टाइम जो आपके जूनियर्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए?
There's no ideal time. So I like I said, I started from July my preparation. So for us, fifth year was fully online. Like so, I was at home. So I read the whole day. Like morning, I used to do revise my subjects. Then 2 to 4, I used to do a mock, and night I used to do current affairs. So like, the whole day was in CLAD. And as the months came near, like in November, morning I used to do one block, afternoon I used to do one block, and
ओके,
night
टू
was
मॉक्स इन
analysis.
अ डे.
Yeah, like in November, I did make sure to do 2 mocks. So I thought I want to cover more mocks. It
ओके.
really helped to build my confidence.
ओके.
Yeah.
एंड
So there's
मॉक
no particular
एनालिसिस
time.
कैसे करते थे? मतलब लेट्स से अगस्त या सितंबर के टाइम जब आप एक एक मॉक दे रहे थे, सो हाउ डिड मॉक एनालिसिस हेल्प यू, और मॉक एनालिसिस आप कैसे करते थे?
Yeah, mock analysis, I think it's the most important thing. Like even if you're not that couldn't finish your syllabus, I think the mock analysis really, really helps
राइट.
because you get to know all like the at least the concepts will build through the mocks, even if not the like even if you don't remember the answers. Um, so like I used to finish 10 mocks and then I used to do those 10 mocks again to see how
ओके.
much I remember the answer. So like that I make sure
दैट्स अ
that's how I
ग्रेट ट्रिक, दैट्स अ ग्रेट ट्रिक, क्योंकि याद होते जाते हैं साथ साथ केसेस.
yeah, and I think it helped because LAC, I still remember there was some factory question that came in the CAT paper
ओके.
also.
ओके.
Yeah, so that was from the LAC mocks. I did it twice, so I remember I could like, remember the answer also. So yeah, I used to do mocks twice. Like I used to do 10 mocks, then again do like that. I
बिकॉज कई
used
बार
to
ऐसे
do.
सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ होता है या रिविजन नहीं होता है, तो उसके बाद फिर दोबारा करने में एक थोड़ा सा
Yeah, so the
मोटिवेशन आ
analysis helps
जाता
you
है.
in revising all your subjects. Like some concepts will not be strong, even how much ever we read. So the mocks will help that. And current
राइट.
affairs also was like, I mean, the judgments also were helpful through the mock analysis only. Yeah.
Nice, that's great. One piece of advice that you would give your juniors कि ये कर लो तो तुम एक टॉप 150 रैंक के बहुत ज़्यादा करीब हो.
Mocks, do as many as you can. At least 50s is so necessary.
आई रियली होप कि तुम्हारे जितने जूनियर्स हैं जो हम लोगों की बात नहीं मान रहे वो तुम्हारी बात मान ले और वो मॉक्स देने लगे अच्छे से. दैट्स रियली रियली
I
वांटेड.
think mocks and practice is the key thing for
ठीक है.
class.
एंड जस्ट वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन मनस्वी, जजमेंट्स क्योंकि इतने सारे हैं? आई नो आपने बोला कि आप एल के मटेरियल पे रिलाई करते थे, बट कभी ऐसे फोमो फील नहीं होता था कि यार ये वाले तो मैं मिस आउट कर रही हूँ या कुछ और आ गया? तो सो फोमो नहीं हुआ, एंड हाउ डिड यू डील विद दैट कि इतने
Used
सारे
to be a
जजमेंट्स
lot.
में कैसे करें?
It used to be a lot. Like I used to see this Telegram channels, some judge, all different judgments. Like majority were covered in LAC, but there were so many different ones.
राइट.
But I would just say stick to one material because it
राइट.
will cause a lot of confusion. Like if it comes, we are lucky. If it doesn't, then it's not in our hands. So
राइट.
I just stuck to LAC material. I just did how much of a judgments I could. And like I said, like just before the exam, I just did like the very important, like those very famous, like, which became famous in this year, like those judgments which we were covering in that one short videos. I just did that. Yeah, that is it. So I mean, I just say stick to one material. Like don't do like too many. It will cause a lot of confusion.
That's
Yeah.
amazing. That's amazing. So anything else, Manasvi? Anything that you want to add?
Uh, that is it. Like just start early. Have 6 months at least in your preparation, and I would just say follow
अब
LAC.
तो 5 ही बचे हैं एंड वी जस्ट होप कि अब बहुत कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ, एज मनस्वी सेड, कि वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट चैलेंजेस इज कंसिस्टेंसी. तो अब कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ प्रिपरेशन करना वुड बी द बेस्ट सोल्यूशन टू ऑल योर आंसर्स, राइट?
And that's it. And just follow what LAC is doing. That is
Right.
it.
Okay. Thank you so much, Manasvi, and all the very best for your journey towards
Thank
LLM and
you very
IPR.
much.
And that it was really amazing talking to you. Amazing insights, practical insights. Thank you so much, Manasvi.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here.